The new moon eclipse is a really potent time for connecting with your higher self, for connecting with your soul, for connecting with your soul purpose and aligning with your soul purpose. The angels are letting you know that your purpose is expanding at this time, that your vision is expanding at this time. So it is really an opportunity to connect and see really what it is that you truly desire, because it is up to you, they are saying, it is up to you to claim your desires and to let the universe know and let the angels know what you desire. So on a new moon, this is really a powerful time to set those clear intentions for what you desire. The angels are waiting to work with you. You are the one who has to take the lead in your manifestations. The angels are there to support you. The universe is there to support you, but it's really up to you about stepping up and claiming those desires. So make sure that you work with this new moon eclipse energy, writing down your goals, getting clear on what they are, telling the universe, telling the angels, calling them in, connecting with the feeling and the energy of those goals, of why they're so meaningful to you, why they're so important to you, and visualizing yourself, feeling yourself achieving them. This is a really powerful way to manifest and to work with the new moon energy. Eclipses actually heighten the manifesting energy of the moon. So this eclipse is a chance to accelerate your manifestation, to reach that next level of your goals and dreams faster. It might feel a little bit uncomfortable because you're being called to surrender, to release the old and welcome in these new fresh energies, these new vibrations that are coming through, these new light codes that are being sent to earth. It's also about opening your heart to receive these new opportunities and blessings that the universe and the angels are sending your way. If you want help with working with the new moon energies and the angels together to manifest your goals, go ahead and check out my free guide. It gives powerful information on which angels to call upon and how to work with them during the moon cycles to up level your manifesting. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.